First, make sure the holes in the headstock are 10 millimeters in diameter. These are staggered Gotoh style locking tuners from Guitar Fetish. The tools needed are a Phillips head screwdriver and a socket wrench. Most of the tuners are staggered in height and go from high to low. Place the post of the tuners in the holes and then the washers and the bushings. Tighten the bushings by hand and then use a socket wrench for final tightening. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to screw the tuning machine screws into place. To string the guitar, first loosen the locking mechanisms on all 6 tuners. The strings are started at the bridge and then run into the hole in the tuning post. The string is drawn as tightly as possible and the locking mechanism is tightened. This is done for all 6 strings. Once the guitar has been tuned and adjustments to string height have been done and the intonation has been set, the ends of the strings can be clipped. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos.